This video will cover strap installation for the Stryker PowerPro2 stretcher. The first step is to assemble all of your straps. Make sure you have all of them laid out. You'll notice that there are several different types of straps. There are longer ones, shorter ones, a couple of straps that combine both male and female buckles. And you'll notice on the straps that the tags indicate their placement on the stretcher, and those icons on the tags match the icons on the stretcher that indicate the strap placement and the placement attachment points on the stretcher. Once you have all of your straps assembled and laid out for attachment, the next step is to remove the mattress from the stretcher. You do that by unattaching the Velcro and removing the mattress. There is one Velcro buckle at the foot end. The rest of the mattress is held on by Velcro attachment at the mid and head end. The order in which you attach the straps doesn't really matter. For the sake of consistency across apparatus, you'll want to attach all of your single female buckles on the patient's right side of the stretcher and the single male buckles on the patient's left side of the stretcher. You may find it helpful to lay out the straps in advance, as Chief Ebram has seen here. You'll notice that the chest straps attach all the way at the bottom of the stretcher rail. They do not attach to the head of the stretcher. Make sure you mind the strap underneath the side rail, the patient support platform, and then the strap actually feeds all the way up and through the head of the stretcher. Mind the strap so that it's flat, then tuck it out of the way. Repeat the process on the patient's right side. Make sure your strap is flat. Cinch through and around under the patient's support platform there. Cinch it down. Pass it up and through. Making sure that as you cinch it around the side rail, you are not capturing any wiring or hydraulic lines in the process. Tuck it out of the way. Working our way down the stretcher, you'll notice that we have two female buckles combined and a male and female buckle combined. The double female will go on the patient's right. You'll note it has one loop and two female buckles. It attaches in the same way, cinching down. Both female buckles will pass through the loop. Make sure you carefully mind the straps. It fits between those two pieces of black plastic. Cinch it down tightly and tuck it out of the way, making sure that it's on the inside of that patient support platform. Same thing on the patient's left side. You have the male and female buckle. Passes through the loop, making sure to mind the strap between those two pieces of black plastic, and you see that symbol matches where it attaches to the stretcher side rail. pull tight. And again, as you're doing this, make sure that you're not cinching or capturing any hydraulic lines or power lines in with your strap. Working our way down, you'll notice now that the other two straps are now going to attach to the mattress holder and not to the side rails of the stretcher. And this is because for Trendelenburg and for the knee gatch, these portions need to remain mobile. So again, female buckles on the patient's right, male buckles on the patient's left, and make sure as you're attaching it, the strap remains flat and cinched, and that the appropriate buckles get attached in their matching icon positions. You can see that icon matches where it attaches on the stretcher. Cinch that down. And then the final step is to reattach your mattress. Again, the mid and head end attach simply by Velcro. You just put the mattress back on, make sure it's reattached. You'll need to feed the Velcro buckle strap back in, wrap it around the bottom underneath the knee gatch support, making sure to tightly cinch down that Velcro strap so that the foot end of the mattress is secure. And then of course you'll need to buckle your straps so that they don't get caught in the carriage when loading and unloading. You'll notice that the combination dual female and male female buckles are to allow attachment of both the waist strap and the two chest straps in an X pattern. And we hope you found this video informational and useful, and thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.